We're here today at Vert's Farm in rural Virginia, insulating a brand new 40x70 farmer's market. What's unique about this project today is that we'll be insulating the exterior walls from the outside while insulating the roof deck from the interior. Today we'll be using Demilec's new HFO closed cell foam that's been formulated with Honeywell Solstice LBA.
This project is important to Honeywell because Demilec is one of the leading companies in spray foam in North America. To have Demilec on board with the Solstice LBA system is really exciting for us. This project is unique in that while the construction is new, it is made to look old. Spray foam using Solstice LBA was an ideal solution for this application because it provided a high-quality insulation, but it was able to preserve the historical appearance of the building. Solstice LBA is a next-generation blow-in agent with a GWP of 1, which is 99.9% better than the HFC blow-in agents used today. In the spray foam application, we have found better thermal performance, 10% better yields, and overall better consistency and finish.
Solstice LBA is a very important part of Demilec's future in that we have already made commitments with this latest product, which will be launched in 2016. We've made a further commitment that by 2017, all of Demilec's closed cell foams will in fact be utilizing this blowing agent and this technology. We're very excited about this project that we are on today, specifically because it's the first full-size test that we have done of this technology. When we look at the actual scenery behind us, the whole theme of the farm-to-market project that we have here, this fits perfectly with our philosophy of developing greener solutions for the construction industry.
Climate impact is very important to me because as a farmer, our livelihood depends on the climate. It depends on Mother Nature and the natural resources that are the land and the air that we breathe. As far as the building and the greenhouse, spray foam insulation is playing a huge part in what I want to do because of controlling energy consumption, keeping the warmth in the winter and the heat out in the summer. The next building that I'm going to build, instead of using the sunlight to come through, we want to spray the whole thing and totally control the environment in that thing.
Demilec is developing spray foam systems using Solstice LBA because it's an HFO and it's a glowing agent that'll be mandated, the HFOs in the future. Demilec is committed to sustainable solutions in building construction, specifically in the insulation and air barrier market. We recycle 35 million pop bottles a year into our insulated foams, and coupling the HFO blowing agents with our recycled materials in our insulation just makes sense for us. Well, the key advantages that we're seeing with Solstice LBA versus HFCs, which are common now and used previously, is the increased solubility that you have in the resin side, the B side, with the HFO Solstice LBA. That increased solubility gives you less frothing when you're recirculating material in a drum. It creates much greater adhesion to substrates, and we're measuring that and we're seeing fantastic adhesion. And the third thing we're seeing is processability. The sprayers call it sprayability. That means that it's easy to spray because Solstice LBA is more soluble, so we're extremely pleased with what we're seeing.
The spray foam system performed wonderfully this week. It was our first trial out here on an actual structure and real-world environment. The foam went down excellent, had zero odor and great adhesion to the substrate. We're very pleased with the results. Demilec sees the advantages of the Solstice product, providing a polyurethane foam with the next generation blowing agent, which offers no odor and superior sprayability to any other offering out there today.
The feedback from the applicators today is we saw great adhesion, better sprayability, fewer gun clogs, and overall just a general good performance from the foam.
We were very pleased with the install of the new closed cell foam. Everything went very well. My sprayers were impressed with the yield and the sprayability. So overall, I call it a big success.
Our experience with Honeywell on this project has been nothing short of amazing. This is a true partnership that we have, starting with just technological sharing of best practices, as well as help in the formulations, but then taking it further into the business development part of the program, looking at the commercial applications of this, and most recently also how we market this solution to the rest of the world.
When we think of the 5-year plan, the growth strategy will continue to evolve with our great portfolio. Sales over the next 5 years will be growing 4 to 6%, so that we should add 7 to 12 billion, getting to 46 to 51, and you'll see a lot of it just coming from innovation.